Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Åsa Johansson, and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our CS3 Portable Adaptive Boost Battery Charger and Maintainer. But before we start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, let's have a look at what's in the box. When you buy the CS3, you get everything you need to charge the CS3 itself, charge and maintain your battery, and get your vehicle running again quickly if your battery is flat. So this is the main CS3 unit, which, as you can see, has got a hard-wearing sealed plastic case. There's a USB-C power delivery or PD charger, so you can charge the unit's internal battery as well as power it conventionally. This comes with a range of plug adapters for different types of power outlets. You also get 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the PD charger to the CS3. And there's a 2 meter DC clamp cable that plugs into the unit's power output socket, so you can connect the unit to your battery terminals. In the box, there's also an instruction manual which tells you all you need to know about the CS3's function and features. Okay, well, that's everything that's in the box when you buy our CS3. Thank you for watching.